Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, here, one thing is specifically mentioned, that Muhur Vipadgana. Muhu means 24 hours, or always, almost 24 hours. Muhu. Muhu means again and again. Again and again. So, Vipad means danger. And Gana means multi. Not one kind of danger, but different kinds of danger. So, the Muhur Vipadgana, who is suffering? Na Kunti. And who else is suffering? Na Devaki. Devaki is the mother of Krishna, and Kunti is the aunt of Krishna. Both of them not ordinary women. To become mother of Krishna, to become aunt of Krishna, it is not ordinary thing. It requires many, many lives, tapasya. Then one can become mother of Krishna. So, they are also suffering Muhur Vipadgana. Always Vipad. Although Krishna was that very, very easily obtainable personality, mother, but still Devaki gave birth to Krishna. But the danger was so horrible that she could not keep her son. It has to be immediately transferred. Just see how much Vipad. How much Vipad. The mother of Krishna could not keep her son on the lap. Every mother wants. But because they are of Kansa, Khalena, she could not keep. And to the Pandavas, Krishna was constant company. Wherever there are Pandavas, Krishna is there. Krishna, Draupadi is in danger. She was to be naked by the Kurus, Duryodhana, Dushasana. The Krishna supplied cloth. So, for a woman in the assembly of so many men, if she is to be naked, it is the greatest danger. It is the greatest danger. And Krishna said. Similarly, Kunti was saved in the dangers will be described in the later verses. She says, Vimochita aham cha sahatmaja vibhu. I was released from so many dangerous positions, not only myself, but along with my sons. The fact is that even Kunti or Devaki, so intimately connected with Krishna, but they had to face so many dangers. So what to speak of others? What to speak of others, ourselves? So when we are in danger, we should not be discouraged. We should take courage that even Kunti and Vasudeva and Devaki, they were also in danger, although they are very, very intimately connected with Krishna. So we should not be disturbed by the dangers of this material world. If we are actually Krishna conscious, we should face the danger and depend on Krishna. Avasya rakhibe Krishna Vishwaso palon. This is called surrender. I may be in danger, but Krishna, I have surrendered to Krishna. He must save me. Keep this faith. Don't be disturbed when you are in danger, because this world is such. Padang padang vipadang. Every step there is danger. Just like we are walking on the street. Immediately there is some pinprick, thorn, and by pinprick of that thorn, it may become a boil, it may become dangerous. So even by walking on the street, by talking on the street, by eating our food, there, and in English it is said, there is many dangers between the cup and the lip. So you should always remember that this material world is simply full of dangers. If you think that we are very safe, we are very expert, we have made this world very happy, then you are full number one. Padang padang jada vipadang. But if you take shelter of Krishna, these dangers are nothing. That Kunti said, the vimochita. Vimochita means release from the danger. Aham. Sahatmaja. So this is the study of Krishna. That if you become Krishna conscious, a sincere servant of Krishna, don't be agitated by the dangerous condition of this material world. You simply depend on Krishna and He will save you. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.